Action.
Action.
Welcome back, Vince Builds here. As you can see, we have the newly released Ryobi One Plus. It is the 18 volt, 7 1/4 inch sliding miter saw. It literally got delivered today. It was released over the weekend, so I'm excited. 3-year warranty. We have best in class 2x10 cross cut capacity, 500 cuts per charge, and really excited about this. Just so you know, the model number is PBT01B. It looks like. So it's Paul Baker Tom 01 Bob. I have a partially charged up 3 amp hour battery to test this out with. And hey, let's get into it. So just a freebase, I have had the One Plus 10 inch sliding miter saw. I like that. It was a little bit bulky for what I needed and used it, and I decided to sell that, which I did. So here we go. You see we got the operator's manual, warranty information, and a little lovely flyer. Oh, we can, this is something new here. You can pick which ones you want. So I had that. I got a lot of it, guys. I do. No, just joking. I don't have that much. There's some of you folks out there in Ryobi land that have a lot more than I do, and there's a lot of people that have a lot less.
We aren't that rich.
I have, what do we have? A dust collector for job site work, indoor work, what have you. Got a little zipper on it. Well, just like the other dust collectors that they have. We have, I think these are like pulled pork separation tools. Yeah, we've got the little tongs there. You just get shred it, the shredders. I think that might be handles. What we got here? A little doodad that sits on the hole to pinch your finger on when you're trying to tighten up a board by yourself. A few screws. A few loose screws. You know, we all got to have our loose screws, right? And there it is. Now, I know there's unboxings of the regular 120 volt unit, so this is pretty much similar to that. With the exception, it's got a battery.
That looks heavy.
It's not so much heavy, it's just
Bulky?
bulky. Yes, thank you. Here we are. Packaging looks just like this 120 volt units also.
Got that nice fresh smell too.
Yes. A lot of guys I see go and cut these. That one, we got lucky, it pops right off. So, and pause that real fast and we'll be right with you when we cut this off, so be right back. Alright, here we go. 10 steps work very, very well for this application. Warning. Warning. Do not use while consuming alcohol. Well, that ain't no fun, dude. You gotta consume alcohol when you're running one of these.
Clearly.
Obviously, read your directions. We have, looks like the lock is right here. It's a little knurled job. Put that up. Little wing nut here. Pull that out. Oh wow, it slid right out. Oh. Feels decent. You know, you got the twist lock here, swing it to 1 to 0 degrees. It goes to 45 at a detent. Oh, 47 degrees has a detent too. One side, all the way to 47 plus. There's no detent on 47 over here, but 45 is a detent. 22 and a half, 30, 31.6. Same on this side. D10 at 45. Comes with a nice coating of oil on this also for protection. We have, maybe you can walk around on that side.
Okay.
Over in here. We have adjustable doodads here for something or other. Oh, for an extendable, the extendable back fence. There's a big opening here, so when you go to do miter cuts and stuff, put that out. And it is plastic, so you're not going to tear up a blade that bad. Allen wrench for changing the blade. Secured fence there, so that's just the only adjustable one here. And what do we have over here on this side? 0 to 45 degrees tilt. So there we go there. And there we go there. Alright, so let me get a tape measure. Go ahead and pause that again for me. So as you see, I have a 2x4 in there. Just giving you guys an idea of the cut. So maxed out right on the 2x4 is where that's going to be. But it'll fully cut a 2x4. I have a 2x6. Again, it'll fully cut a 2x6, which is kind of nice. Maxed angles on both. So 2x8. 2x8 I think is going to be the max. Let's go this way. It will cut a 2x8. So not going to cut anything, just going to fire it up, see what it sounds like. One thing this does not have, which I'm surprised, no brake, no laser. So it does not have a laser, which I'm kind of interested about. That's interesting. We do have a lock of some sort over here on this side. Okay, you're gonna come over on this side. I don't know if we're missing something here. Let me get the manual out and take a peek see at it. Let's see what it actually is. Tri-language manual, so I would say that is a depth control knob is what that says. Oh, you swing it out to stop. Okay, so they have this on a little teeter, I don't know if you can zoom in on that for me. Right there, and what that does, you put it out, and you can do depth control. Put it in, it's for normal operation. That manual is a kind of a nice thing to look at. It's got pictures, words. Ah, so easy a caveman could do. Oh, can't say that, never mind. But
We all know you love picture books.
picture books, yep. We have a dot lock here, 40 tooth blade it comes with, already intact or already installed. So, other than not having the laser, I'm putting this thing to work and see how it goes. Other than not having the laser, I'm impressed. Now we've always had the best of both worlds with that with the advanced regular standard 7 1/4. There's another thing here that they have. They have a setting where you can preset it for crown molding. Bring it over here for you. Got this little flag here, flag there. Line up the lines. Boom, you set up for crown molding as far as depth. So that's interesting. But hey, we'll run through the tests or run through the paces here soon. I'm going to be doing some projects this summer, and thanks for coming and checking it out. Again, this is the Ryobi 7 1/4 inch sliding miter saw. Part number is PBT01B. It's Paul Bravo Tom 01 Bravo. We bought it at Home Depot online. I bought this on Sunday, and it was delivered today, the 2nd. But other people said that they've ordered it, and it's not going to be till the 8th. So I'm assuming this is going to be a hot commodity for them. Thanks for watching.